Here are the critical steps for installing a ProVia bay or bow window unit. For complete installation and safety instructions, click the link in the video description. Let's get started. Before we begin, please use safe lifting techniques to lift, move, and install the bay window. The unit will ship topside down with wood bracing, including 4 casters for ease of shipping and handling. Carefully turn the unit topside up. Remove and discard the bracing and casters. Unwrap and inspect all components. Fully prep the opening for a level and flat sill, and check for square. Pre-installation work needs to include any siding or soffit preparation at this time. Apply flashing tape to the sill, extending the tape up the side of the jambs a minimum of 6 inches. Apply an exterior grade silicone across the length of the sill and the exterior face where the insulated seat board will meet the wall. From the exterior, insert the unit in the opening and center. Bring the interior edge flush with the interior wall. Use a level or straight edge to ensure the unit is even. Place support jacks under the center of the unit and 2x4 temporary support braces under each outer edge. The unit must be fully supported with temporary braces until completely secured in the opening. Check each side of the seat board for level, left to right and front to back. Then, check for overall square by measuring diagonally, corner to corner. From the interior, place shims at each corner. Place additional shims as needed to fully level and square the unit in the opening. Pre-drill 3 1/8 inch pilot holes in each vertical jamb, placed near the top, bottom, and center. Then install and countersink a 3-inch decking trim screw in each location. Repeat the process by pre-drilling and securing the header with 3 to 4 screws and repeat on the sill. We recommend securing the seat board by toe screwing through the inside edge. Install and secure each eye lag to the wall structure. Make sure the lags are anchored into the framing header or to a stud. Connect a cable to each. Pull and attach the opposite end with the turnbuckle to the eye bolt located on the headboard. Tighten and turn the buckles until the unit is properly supported. With the cables secured, temporary braces can now be removed. From the exterior, caulk along the frame to the wall joints, and use backer rod if necessary. Do not apply any sealant under the exterior edge of the unit. Doing so will seal off weep holes and not allow the water to drain as intended. On the interior, apply low expanding foam to fill the cavities between the frame and the opening. Next, install a waterproof barrier over the entire top of the unit. This will help to prevent any possible water leaks. The installer can now reinstall any siding that was removed and close off the top of the unit as necessary. For roof systems, the existing vertical wall must be properly flashed and sealed. Refer to our installation instruction for additional information on closing off the top of the unit. This has been a quick overview of how to install a ProVia bay or bow window unit. For complete instructions or more information, click the link in the video description or call customer support with additional questions.